The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. What if the life you've always dreamed of was within reach? Not through complicated rituals or endless striving, but through a simple shift in how you pray. Yes, prayer, that age-old practice, holds a secret power to unlock the desires of your heart. It's time to discover a new way to pray, one that aligns you with the universe's natural flow of abundance. If you've ever felt like your prayers were going unanswered, or that your dreams were just out of grasp, then get ready. We're about to reveal a prayer technique so powerful, so easy, it might just change everything. A technique that allows you to communicate directly with the universe and receive the blessings you've been longing for. You might have tried prayer before, perhaps even pleaded, bargained, or begged for your desires to be fulfilled. Yet for many, the results haven't matched the effort. Why? It's not that prayer is ineffective, but rather, our understanding of it might be incomplete. Traditional prayer often focuses on asking for things we lack, emphasizing our neediness and desperation. We may believe we need to convince a higher power to grant our wishes, as if we must prove our worthiness. This approach can create a sense of separation and struggle. Furthermore, conventional prayer sometimes emphasizes repetition and ritual, following prescribed words and formulas. While these practices can offer comfort and structure, they might not always foster a deep connection to our own inner power or the universal energy that surrounds us. The truth is, prayer isn't about begging or pleading. It's about alignment. It's about recognizing the incredible creative force that exists within each of us, and then aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the outcomes we desire. When we approach prayer from a place of lack, our energy reflects that lack. It's like trying to attract abundance while broadcasting a signal of scarcity. Instead, imagine stepping into a state of already having received your desire. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the fulfillment, as if it's already yours. This shift in perspective is key. It's not about denying the current reality, but rather about choosing to focus on the reality we wish to create. By aligning our internal state with our desired outcome, we become a magnet for the very things we seek. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you want to hear a particular station, you need to adjust the dial to the right frequency. Similarly, when we align our thoughts and feelings with our desires, we tune into the frequency of those desires, making them more likely to manifest in our lives. It's a subtle yet profound shift, and it has the power to transform your prayer practice from one of pleading to one of co-creation. By understanding the true nature of prayer and harnessing its potential, you open the door to a world of possibilities. This is not about manipulating the universe or bending it to your will. It's about recognizing that you are an integral part of the universe, a co-creator with the power to shape your reality through the intentional use of prayer. Get ready to discover a prayer technique that's not only powerful but surprisingly simple. It's called the wish-granting technique, and it's based on a profound truth. Your mind is a potent creator. When you vividly imagine and feel the reality of your desire as if it's already happened, you set in motion a series of events that can lead to its manifestation. Imagine holding your desire in your hands, feeling its weight, seeing its details, experiencing the joy it brings. This is the essence of the wish-granting technique. It's about shifting your focus from what you lack to what you already have, from a state of wanting to a state of having. It's not about denying your current circumstances or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on the reality you wish to create. By immersing yourself in the feeling of having received your desire, you send a powerful signal to the universe, aligning yourself with a vibration of your goal. This isn't just wishful thinking or positive affirmations. It's about tapping into the creative power of your mind and harnessing it for your benefit. You see, your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you consistently hold the image and feeling of your desire, your subconscious mind begins to accept it as truth. And when your subconscious mind accepts something as true, it starts working tirelessly to bring it into your reality. It influences your thoughts, your actions, and even the opportunities that present themselves to you. Think of it like planting a seed. When you plant a seed in fertile soil, you don't see the results immediately. But beneath the surface, the seed germinates, takes root, and eventually grows into a beautiful plant. Similarly, when you plant the seed of your desire in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind, it starts to grow and manifest in your life. The beauty of the wish-granting technique is its simplicity. It doesn't require any special skills or rituals. It simply requires you to quiet your mind, focus on your desire, and allow yourself to feel the joy and gratitude of having received it. The more vividly you can imagine and feel your desire, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. It's like turning up the volume on your radio. The louder and clearer the signal, the easier it is to tune into the station you want. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. This universal law states that like attracts like. When you focus on the feeling of having received your desire, you vibrate at a frequency that attracts more of that same feeling into your life. Your subconscious mind also plays a crucial role. It's like a powerful computer that processes information and influences your behavior. When you program your subconscious mind with the image and feeling of your desire, it starts working behind the scenes to bring it to fruition. Let's look at how to pray effectively with the wish-granting technique. Find your calm. Begin by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow your body and mind to relax. Let go of any tension or worry. Clarify your desire. Get clear on what you truly want. Choose a specific desire that excites you and fills you with joy. It could be anything: a new job, a loving relationship, improved health, financial abundance, or anything else your heart desires. Paint the picture. Now, let your imagination soar. Create a vivid mental image of yourself having already received your desire. See it in detail. Feel the emotions it evokes, and experience the joy and satisfaction it brings. Engage your senses. Go beyond visualization. Engage all your senses as you imagine your desire fulfilled. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more fully you can immerse yourself in the experience, the more powerful your prayer becomes. Feel the gratitude. As you bask in the reality of your desire, allow yourself to feel genuine gratitude. Give thanks for the fulfillment of your wish, as if it's already happened. Let that feeling of gratitude wash over you. Belief and feeling are the fuel that powers the wish-granting technique. When you believe that your desire is possible and you allow yourself to feel the joy of having received it, you create a powerful energetic alignment. Think of it like this: your thoughts and feelings are like magnets, attracting the experiences and circumstances that match their vibration. When you cultivate a sense of faith and excitement, you raise your vibration and become a magnet for the good things you desire. So as you practice this prayer technique, allow yourself to truly believe that your desire is on its way. Let go of any doubts or worries, and focus on the feeling of having already received it. The more you can cultivate this sense of faith and excitement, the more powerful your prayers will become. Recall that this is not about forcing or manipulating outcomes. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to manifest in their own perfect way. So let go of any attachment to the outcome and simply trust that the universe is working in your favor. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. And that's perfectly natural. We've been conditioned to believe that getting what we want requires struggle and sacrifice. But what if it doesn't have to be that way? What if there's a simpler, more joyful path to manifestation? The wish-granting technique challenges our conventional beliefs about prayer and the nature of reality. It asks us to open our minds to the possibility that we have more power and influence than we've been led to believe. While this technique doesn't offer a magic wand or instant gratification, it does provide a framework for aligning ourselves with our desires and attracting them into our lives. It's a process that unfolds over time, with consistent practice and unwavering faith. Think of it like learning a new skill. At first, it might feel awkward or unfamiliar, but as you continue to practice, you gain confidence and proficiency. The same is true with the wish-granting technique. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes, and the more powerful its effects. As with any new practice, you might encounter some challenges along the way. Doubt, impatience, and difficulty visualizing are common obstacles that can hinder your progress. But don't worry, these challenges are simply opportunities for growth. If doubt creeps in, remind yourself of the power of your mind and the countless stories of people who have manifested their dreams through the power of prayer and intention. If impatience arises, focus on the present moment and the joy of the journey. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. If you find it difficult to visualize, start small and gradually build your skills. Begin by imagining simple things, like holding a cup of coffee or feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. As you become more comfortable with visualization, you can move on to more complex desires. Recall that this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for guidance or support when you need it. The universe is always there to assist you on your path to fulfillment. The beauty of the wish-granting technique is its versatility. It's not limited to just small wishes or insignificant desires. This powerful tool can be applied to any area of your life where you seek improvement or fulfillment. Do you yearn for a fulfilling career that aligns with your passions? Let the wish-granting technique guide you towards it. Feel the satisfaction of working in a job you love, contributing your unique talents, and receiving recognition for your efforts. Perhaps you long for a loving and supportive relationship. See yourself surrounded by love, companionship, and understanding. Feel the warmth of affection and the joy of shared experiences. Maybe your heart desires vibrant health and well-being. Visualize yourself feeling energized, strong, and full of vitality. Experience the freedom of movement and the joy of a healthy body. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whatever your dreams may be, the wish-granting technique can help you bring them to life. It's a tool that empowers you to take charge of your destiny and create the life you've always envisioned. So, dare to dream big. Don't limit yourself to what seems possible or practical. Allow your imagination to run wild and your heart to soar. The universe is vast and abundant, and it's waiting to deliver your desires. Believe in the power of your prayers. Trust that you are worthy of receiving all that you desire. And most importantly, allow yourself to feel the excitement, the anticipation, and the joy of knowing that your dreams are on their way to becoming your reality. It's time to take the reins of your life and steer it in the direction of your dreams. The wish-granting technique is your map, your compass, and your vehicle. Give it a try, experiment with it, and witness the incredible transformation it can bring to your life. You have the power within you to create the life you desire. Don't just wish for it, pray for it with unwavering faith and unwavering feeling. Let your prayers become a force of creation, shaping your reality and bringing you closer to your heart's desires. As you set on this exciting adventure, remind yourself that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, supporting you every step of the way. So go forth with confidence, pray with passion, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. If this message resonated with you, give it a thumbs up to spread the inspiration. And to continue exploring the power of your mind and spirit, consider hitting that subscribe button.